I'm Vanessa Tilaka Kalb, and I'm the head cheesemonger at Agnes Restaurant and Cheesery. Today I'll be working with Emmental, a European cheese from France. I'm preparing a French onion stuffed mushroom for a fun French soiree known as an apéro. We'll start by destemming the mushrooms, season with some salt, pepper, and drizzle with olive oil. Next, bake for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna chop these stems, and we're gonna go into the pan with some olive oil and salt. We're ready to mix the stuffing. We'll start with our French onion dip, breadcrumbs, and the sautéed mushroom stems. Lastly, we'll grate in some Emmental. I'm gonna grab the mushrooms out of the oven. Let's spoon in the stuffing. We're gonna put them back in the oven for another 5 to 8 minutes. Now they're ready to eat. You can really taste the fruitiness from the Emmental. I hope this inspires you to try Emmental in a new way and host your own apéro.